कल ही की बात है जब हमने रखी थी पहली ईंट एतमाद की, और 1.5 दहाई की कलील मुद्दत में ये मीनार नूर सुपीरियर ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस करोड़ों घरों को इल्म की रोशनी से मुनव्वर कर चुका है।
Started off as education institution within a span of 1.5 decades, Superior Group has established an impressive portfolio of companies. Superior Group of Colleges, Spirit School System, Brio International, Superior Connections, Superior Solutions, Superior Wellness, Nai Baat Newspaper, FM 106.6 Boom FM, Neo TV.
Here at Superior, we are committed to enhance the potential of students, faculty and all segments of the society by bringing a positive change into their personal and career life through number 1, quality education, number 2, personality development, number 3, true professionalism and career planning, thus adding value to our nation and ultimately to humanity. And we strongly believe the Quranic verse, a man gets whatever he strives for, Laysa lil insani illa ma sa'a, is our inspiration. I welcome you to Superior University, where we not only impart knowledge and skills but shape attitudes as well. The winning attitude, the right attitude. Thank you.
Our commitment to quality education made Superior the fastest growing institution of Pakistan. Superior today, first international standard institute of Pakistan. More than 100 plus campuses in 52 cities of Punjab. More than 50,000 students are currently studying in various programs from intermediate to PhD level, apart from the alumni of 500,000 students approximately.
We are at Superior University. We are committed to provide the best faculty who is equipped with the revolutionized teaching methods to produce entrepreneurial minds. We are not preparing students for jobs only, but we are preparing them for life so that they can contribute in country's development.
If you speak the language of altitudes and velocity, of human brain waves or numeric configuration of electrodes, Shakespeare or Ghalib. If your interests run from lines on canvas to terabytes in silicon, from scholarly research to athletic competition, from changing the world to having an impact in your own backyard, then look no further than Superior University. If you want to work side by side with extraordinary faculty to choose from 68 plus majors across the spectrum or follow a major with split degree program, then expect some of the brightest minds from around the world to surround you and engage you at Superior University. Here in Superior, we offer a very personalized service. We will spend a lot of time in talking to a student in confidence, one-on-one, in departments, several streams, in all degrees, all career choices. We value newer and better, and we value tradition. When we think of transformation, it's easy to get caught up in the bricks and mortar of the campus. But the most important transformation happening here are in our students as they pass through our university. Our state-of-the-art facilities help them reach their true potential. If you listen closely, it's the sound of learning, education at the highest degree. Believe it or not, students really do have a life outside of the classroom and labs. We have worked hard to make Superior a place where students feel comfortable to study, grow and build relationships. At Superior, students are engaging in classrooms, academically, engaging with each other socially outside. The facilities we are providing to our students. Most innovative infrastructure encompassing all facilities on the campus. Multimedia classrooms, conference halls, architecture labs, aviation labs, pharmacy labs, physiotherapy labs, engineering labs, medical labs, English language, electrical, computer labs.
We at Superior provide research-based knowledge to our students.
Bookshop, library, cafe, hostels, transport system. Here are the superior faculties we are providing in Superior. Business and Management Sciences,
a focus on individual personal development. All of these made the Superior Business Program a truly stimulating experience.
Aviation Management and Technology.
I'm the student from Aviation Department. Superior Aviation Department provide us with the best facilities to understand the theoretical and experimentation. We are the pioneer in this field and I'm proud to be the part of it.
Economics and Commerce. IT and Computer Sciences.
We are offering here BS program in IT, CS and software engineering, MPhil as well as PhD program. We have also our own software house. A large number of students we accommodate at our own when they graduate. We keep our eyes on the industry demand, what industry actually need. Therefore, mostly students and their parents, they prefer our universities.
Engineering and Technology. Medical and Health Sciences.
Azra Naheed Medical College was established in 2011 with the purpose to provide quality medical education. The other purpose was to provide quality medical facilities to the poor people of the community. And the Chaudhry Akram Teaching Hospital is fully equipped with all the modern diagnostic facilities like CT scan, laboratory and X-rays.
Mass Communication Management. Media, Film and TV.
Real-time media world, which is the real difference we are making. We are investing in the greater future of our students. This is how we are Superior.
Studying law at Superior has been a fantastic experience. I found the quality of the academic staff to be superior and that the program is very well organized to combine academic teaching with hands-on learning experience.
Our more than 80 diversified degree programs are developed by keeping in mind the future demands of corporate world. Be superior and become a doctor, engineer, pilot, business manager, IT professional, lawyer and journalist. Superior Group of Colleges, approved by HEC, PMDC, PAC and Pharmacy Council. Chartered by the Government of Punjab as Degree Awarding Institute. I am Superior. Are you?
The main purpose of Superior University is to serve human beings by providing them a quality education and to make them enabled to serve in the country as well as to meet in world market.
In our department, we have more than 300 Form D students and highly qualified teaching staff. In future, we are planning to start postgraduate classes in the subjects of pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, industrial pharmacy, pharmacy practice.
Our credible PhD program in collaboration with world-class international universities give us the right platform to promote research culture in Pakistan. We introduced new concepts in research and development. 5 minutes thesis competition, poster elaborations competition, ICEET, International Conference on Engineering Emerging Technologies, ICMR, International Conference on Management Research. On one side, we are teaching the theory, and to complement the concept, we have the platforms which make them worldly wise. We believe that theory is blind without practice, and it is what makes students perfect. Our management science curriculum provides an opportunity to plan, execute, control, and decide on different projects. Computer science and IT faculty enables the students to work in our own software house, ISP, Superior Connections. Department of Pharmacy, the Superior Wellness Company. Mass Communication Management, New News, 106.6 Boom FM, Nai Baat Newspaper. Aviation, pioneer in aviation education on the airports from ticketing to air traffic control and superior pilots. Our engineering and medical faculties are nurturing the best doctors and engineers. Our promise to facilitate humanity is met at Chaudhry Muhammad Akram Research and Teaching Hospital with 350 beds. A community of more than 2 lakh people is benefiting from free access to quality healthcare services. The world now knows about our academic expertise through a split degree program, which gives an opportunity to study with grace and complete half of their education abroad and then make fellow students learn through mentoring. The world-renowned universities like University of Newcastle, Australia, top 10 Australian university, Uppsala University, one of the oldest university with 6 Nobel laureates, have shown confidence on our curriculum and have approved its authenticity. 22 international universities have become our partners in split degree programs. Create and calculate. Shatter both records and stereotypes. Build improbable machines and impossible medicines. Unleash masterpieces and birth theories. Come, because there is much to be done out there and to be undone. Come find about everything of which you are capable. Come believe in something greater than you. An experience unlike any other awaits you here. Your dreams are in need of your voice. Fragile ideas await your strength. Come, answer this call. Join this assembling of minds. Put your grand imagination to work. Come, let your vision rattle these walls and help move the world forward. Come join the leaders and best. The victors valiant. Come to Superior.
पहले कहीं, अब है ये दुनिया नहीं, अब जोश में हम आ गए, सारी दुनिया पे हम छा गए। नाज़म पे करता है यारों सारा जहां, जिसमें भी हम जैसी ताकत आए यहाँ। We are the vision of the power, from Pakistani. सब रास्तों में अपनी ही जुर्रत रहेगी, कल तक रहे ना रहे हम, अपनी ही ताकत रहेगी। नाज़म पे करता है यारों सारा जहां, जिसमें भी हम जैसी ताकत आए यहाँ। The vision of the